6 News, the weather authority.
All right, hey, welcome back in. Got to talk to you about some active storm chances here the next couple of days. Really now through Friday, we could see daily storm chances in the mix. All things we're going to watch for here are rounds of severe threats that especially come in for us tomorrow. The chance for some flash flooding, especially across the northeastern portions of Kentucky. It's also going to stay super humid for us, no matter which way you shake it out. Temperatures are going to be in the low 90s most days, with feels like temperatures close to 100 next several days. Both Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday are high near 90, with the heat index value over 100 at times. We've had that already here today. And it's all because we've got those dew points well into the oppressive category. We're talking about dew points 70 plus, even upwards of 75 degrees, making it feel like you're walking through water as that sunshine tries to come down in between our storm chances moving ahead. Now, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, rounds of numerous showers and storms, some of which could likely be severe for us, are on the table. And then Friday, they become a bit more scattered. Not to worry there. There's still going to be opportunities even into early parts of your weekend. It's quite a busy week for us overall. Currently, the only severe storm that's in the region right now is just to our northeast. Right now with a tornado warning on that moving into West Virginia. The rest of us, though, in the clear, watching for more storms to likely pop up along the front, and possibly some outflow from this cell itself could spark more storms too. The gist of everything here is that there's going to be the opportunity for some severe weather, especially into tomorrow. Now's a good time to throw the alerts on because we've got an outlook for the next 3 days. A level 2 risk in the yellow, a level 3 in the orange, meaning numerous to scattered severe thunderstorms for us, possibly a couple of rounds on Tuesday, all of which could bring us damaging straight line wind gusts, the opportunity for some embedded rotation within that, and then heavy rainfall, especially as thunderstorms train over the same location. We could see a few spots pick up some serious amounts of rain that could lead to some flash flooding concerns. Now, Futurecast kind of has the idea. This is a lot more aggressive and a lot more widespread than what is currently going on. So slightly missing the mark here, but it's got the placement and the timing down pretty good. So as that drifts to the east, expecting more storms to fall in from the north, any of which overnight tonight likely stay in far northeastern Kentucky. That's just the trend that we've been seeing. Now we could see another round of storms try to move through midday and into the afternoon tomorrow. This could be round 1, and then as it moves to the south, we could see some severe weather in there even into the evening. Second wave, and I think this one's more likely to bring us a bit more widespread opportunities for severe weather. Comes in for us through the overnights. We're thinking 9, 10, 11 o'clock as that second wave comes in. You see this kind of notchy streakiness in Futurecast. That's some rotation, that's some straight line winds, all embedded into one line, and that's where I think our best severe threat will come through. Can't rule out scattered activity tomorrow afternoon, but the main event, whatever it is, either the first round or the second round, will pose that threat. Notice how the storms keep going across the same spots here into Wednesday, and then again Wednesday afternoon, and if Futurecast could go further, it would say the same thing for Thursday and Friday. We've got a level 3 out of 4 risk for flash flooding across far northeastern Kentucky. Then it goes to a level 2 and a level 1, and we're talking about over the next couple of days possibly several inches in those spots. There's already a flood watch for our northeastern counties through 8 a.m. on Wednesday. Multiple inches of rainfall and more keeps battering through the week. We could end up with some serious high water issues. It all settles down towards the weekend with some slightly cooler temps.